With Smart Assist Printing, the whole printing process, from ink key presetting, blanket cleaning, plate changing, test printing, register adjustment, and density adjustment to production printing, is automatically performed through one-touch operation on the display screen. Based on the image area ratio data for the queued print job, the ink keys are preset. Then, in parallel with blanket cleaning, ink is applied to the ink rollers. The plates are changed by the automatic plate changer. And pre-wetting and pre-inking apply water and ink to the plates. Make ready takes only about 4 minutes. When test printing starts, the PQSD's automatic register adjustment function reads the register marks on the printed sheets and automatically adjusts the register. At the same time, the PQSD's printing density tracking function reads the color bars on the printed sheets and automatically adjusts the density. When the register and density are within the allowable range, the OK sheet is automatically registered and production printing starts. During printing, the ink fountains are automatically controlled to ensure consistent printing. Also during printing, the PQSD's quality inspection function performs inline inspection of all printed sheets. When printing of one job is finished, the next job in the automatically registered printing queue is started, ensuring a high operation rate for consecutive printing of short-run jobs.